Being as our elephants have done so much hard work for us, I figured it's time we gave a little back. Oh, yes! You're loving that, aren't you, girl? Oh, yeah, that's good. Just there, yeah, that's it, that's it. Just behind the ears. Look at her wonderful eyelashes. Any supermodel would kill for eyes like that. You're beautiful, aren't you? Right, now we're good friends. You gonna help me find a tiger? Our Ellies took us into the furthest reaches of the park. We searched and we searched. We looked in forests, on the plains, high and low, come rain or shine. This place is jam-packed with animals, but the tigers are proving so elusive. Sometimes all this tiger searching, well, it just gets a bit kind of boring. We've just found ourselves a likely spot to sit and wait and listen for alarm calls and anything else that might signify the presence of the tiger.
And so peaceful until...
Go! Keep rolling, keep rolling.
Go!
There was real aggression behind that charge. One swipe of their huge trunk could easily kill a person. We've got off really lightly. Elephants are highly defensive animals. Family is everything, and woe betide anyone who gets in their way. It was a bit close for comfort. I tell you what, we didn't think for a second we were going to put Asian elephants on the Deadly 60, but that's probably the closest call we've had so far.